Safety measures are important, even if you are just running your bike on dyno. Check out what happened here. This clip is a classic example of how target fixation affects bikers. Luckily, this rider managed to save it.
Woo! Woo! I f***ed up, I almost went off the road, so I didn't lean enough at first and it just kept going. I was like, okay, hold on.
Unfortunately, this biker ran over an oil pad on the Nürburgring track, and it caused him to lose traction and crash while going 175 km per hour. Unfortunately, biker sustained very serious injuries, and he is still in hospital, trying to recover as much as possible. Guys, make sure to check out his Instagram for full and uncensored video, and also show him some love. As you can see for yourself, this biker has all the right to be angry at this driver, because how close he got to him while overtaking.
Comme dirait ma femme. Alors, regarde-moi bien, c'est filmé. Tu la vois celle-là? C'est bien filmé. J'aime bien ta plaque. Là, tu vas... Elle est belle. Voilà. Comment me coller encore? Moi aussi je peux coller au cul. Allez! Ça ne veut plus avancer maintenant, hein. Et je m'amuse derrière toi. Et ça me fait rigoler. T'as vu ce qu'il m'a fait, cet enculé? Il m'a doublé, il est passé à ça de moi. Il m'a frôlé comme un malade. Ça faut pas le faire, hein, ce que vous avez fait, hein. Vous avez vu que vous êtes passé près de moi? Dans un virage en coupe à la ligne, c'est hyper dangereux. Et alors, c'est limité à 70, c'est limité à 70, on roule à 70 et on ne met pas les gens en danger, d'accord? Donc maintenant, faites attention, c'est tout. Moi je suis gentil, la prochaine... mais il y a des gens, ils vous casseraient trop pour ça.
Vous faites des zigzags depuis...
Non, je fais pas des zigzags, je roule à...
des motards pour moi.
Mais toi t'es une merde alors, connard. Moi je suis sympa, d'accord? Mais tu me fais gaffe comme tu me parles par contre. Je suis très gentil mais tu fais attention comme tu me parles. Tu me mets en danger. Tu es un malade. Tu es un malade. Je t'ai filmé. De toute façon je m'en bats les couilles, je vais y faire des flics si tu es pas content, c'est pareil. Mais il n'y a pas de problème. Par contre tu pourrais au moins t'excuser de mettre les gens en danger. Tu me doubles à ça, on coupe en ligne blanche, mais t'es complètement con quoi.
Ça fait un quart d'heure que tu roules.
Mais je m'en bats les couilles, c'est limité à 70. Eh ben tu roules à 70 alors. Et que t'emmerdes des gains. Oh, espèce de malade.
This biker had two cars pull out in front of him. He avoided first one, but unfortunately did flip over the second one. This biker followed the rules and stopped for the red light, while other bikers were going through it, and unfortunately he got rear-ended by one of them.
de novo não, velho. Não, mano.
Fiz a curva aberta por causa... Tá. Peraí, tá vindo daí. Peraí. Ô, Jim, peraí.
This biker got hit by a car which spawned out of nowhere. After this close call, this biker had to pull over to calm down himself.
Essa linha, bro.
Ja. Das geht aber so, gell? Vorsicht.
Viu o seu que era dono? via.
This biker experienced target fixation. Check out what he had to say about it, and also it can be a lesson for all of us.
I was practicing these roads for like an hour before this happened, so I went up and down, and at some point I thought I wanted to try that turn a bit faster than I usually do, right there. At that point I knew if I committed to the turn, there might be a chance that I crash into the guardrail. I am only riding for like a year now. I'm not a super experienced rider yet. And I decided that the ditch was much safer. I was exhausted, I lost concentration, I lost focus, I spaced out, I got shock, and then I fixated on the hill, which pretty much means I just went straight for it.
Yeah. I'm sure they're calling. Those people are calling. God damn!
Ah, merda. Merda, merda, merda. E merda, merdissima. Ah.
Ô tia, faz um negócio desse não. Não dessa aí você mata a gente, pô.
This week, I made up these little gift card packs, Chick-fil-A gift card, and 2 bracelets. I'm gonna be passing these out today. Is there 2 of you?
Yeah. Oh, sweet, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. Have a great rest of your day.
What's up? I got gift cards I'm passing out today for EMS week. How many people are here?
6 total on shift.
Okay. there's Chick-fil-A gift cards in there for you guys. And a couple, yeah, I might need that. And you might need that.
7.
What's up?
What's up?
How's it going? You know what this week is? National EMS week.
Okay.
How many guys you got working here?
4 out here at this station.
4?
Awesome.
Yeah, I appreciate what you guys do.
Appreciate it, dude.
Yep.
Yep.
What's up, guys?
Hey, all right.
Pretty good. You know what this week is? It's National EMS week.
Oh, I did know that.
There's a Chick-fil-A gift card in here for you guys. I'm gonna hit the road.
I appreciate it. Thank
Hey,
you for
thank
stopping
you.
by.
Thank you.
I appreciate
Make
it.
sure the guys get the stuff when they get back.
Y'all be safe, okay?
You too. Thanks.
Yep. Have a good day.
On the road.
Oh yeah, we'll do. When to hook you guys up with some gift cards. You guys, you're just gonna have to hand them out, man.
Yeah, I get
The bracelets glow in the dark and the gift cards for Chick-fil-A. Thank you for doing what you do, guys.
have what I need to fix it at the house. Looks like you're gonna have to tell me home. Is it bad that this is fun for me, kind of?